birthday, David.
Happy birthday, Butad! Sana lamit na yung tiyan mo.
Hello Sir Mel, magandang araw sa iyo. Happy birthday. More sales to come, more boys to come, and laging good health every day. Happy birthday, ingat lagi. Bye-bye.
To you, Ma'am Mel. Wish you all the best. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Sir Mel. Enjoy your day po. God bless.
Hi Mel, happy birthday. Sana dumami pa ang lahi mo. Ayun lang.
Happy birthday, Sir Mel.
Mel, happy birthday. More blessing to come. Sana yung araw mo to is mag-enjoy ka at sana patuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo. Yun lamang. Happy birthday ulit, Mel.